Hello and welcome to Imprints. We are a small company in business for over 25 years now, dedicated to customer service and fast turnaround times on high-quality labels. In this video, I'm going to take you through the three-step process on how we create a label. The first step is printing the label from your finished design. We do not use any inks but thermal resin ribbons that are much more durable, weather, and chemical resistant than most other printing methods. For multicolored jobs, we replace the cartridge for each color, assuring a stable and consistent color on every order. After the labels have been printed, we laminate them with a UV protective coating. We have glossy, non-glossy, and a few other types of laminates to choose from. You can skip this process if you want to save a little bit of money, but the lamination makes the labels much more durable. The final step is cutting. We use a blade cutting system so the labels can be cut to just about any shape or size. Once they have been cut, we strip away the excess waste material, pack them up, and ship them out to you. Under normal circumstances, these labels should last outdoors anywhere from 5 to 7 years or longer. Please call or email me if you have any questions, and remember at Imprints, if you want your labels to last, call us first.